cup of sugar and a 3/4 cup of sugar to see how many we would need to make cakes. So you see I already have the thirds and the fourths divided out. So this is 1 2/3 right here, and then you've got your fourths right here, 3/4. So we're gonna go ahead and split this to find the common denominator. So right there is our actual lines on the fractions, and then we're gonna split it in half on the thirds to make it sixths, and then we're actually going to cut it like this, and it's going to make it twelfths. And then for the fourths, we actually have to cut it long ways, because 1 2 3, and that makes it twelfths. So those two, when you try to split them in half, you either get eighths or twelfths, and then you get 6 and 12ths over here. So we just went ahead and cut it to the twelfths. So to count this one up, it would be 4, 8, 16, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So we have 20 out of 12. And then plus 3, 6, 9. We have 9 out of 12. And then when you add that up, that's 29 out of 12, which goes to, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you've got one whole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, two wholes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you've got 2 and 5 twelfths. So that's your answer. And now we're gonna do it with fraction strips. Where did my fraction strips go? So you've got 1 2/3, and then you've got 3/4. So we're gonna find our common denominator. So this shows what I was talking about earlier. So the 6 line up with the thirds, but it doesn't line up with the fourths. And then your 8s line up with your fourths, but they don't line up with the thirds. So we're actually gonna stick with our twelfths, and I'm gonna move my books so we have a little more room here. So you have the 1 1/3 plus 1/4, and then line up your twelfths. So you've actually got the 2 5/12 that ends right here. And then if you use 3 cups, it would be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 twelfths.